To the guy that likes the finger licking chicken.
What? Yeah, stop it.
Your first day?
Yeah?
How are you finding the meeting, should I say?
Boring.
You like to be out and about?
Don't mind it, to be honest.
Okay, that's good. We are now going to a property, guys. And this is a buy-to-let property in Birmingham. It was secured at a great price. It's got a great rental in there. And it's exactly what the property world needs. We need to bring back YouTube, where it's about education, it's about property, it's about day in the life. It's not all nastiness and drama and all of that negativity and stuff like that. This is the channel you need to be following if you want to change your life. On site at a buy-to-let in Birmingham, we have the metal consumer unit down there. This property is actually in a rentable state, believe it or not. It's ready to be rented out if we want it to be rented out. The fee for rental around here is about £1,250 to £1,300. Now, this has got the opportunity to have a government-backed contract, and we can get between £1,500 and £2,000 for a contract from the government for somebody to move into this 3-bedroom property. Or we can put it on the rental market straight out to the public, and we can get £1,250 to £1,300. Which one would you do? The problem with these government-backed contracts is that they're opinion-based. Some people like them. Some people like them. Some people don't like them.
Irish. This is the Irish in you.
See, there you go. That's the dinghy.
That's the only accent you haven't done yet, is the Irish accent, even though you're Irish.
Amazing. What an accent. Oi, man. I'm from Dublin. So, this property, like I said, government-backed contracts, people hate them, people love them. What do you think of them, guys? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Would you use them? Would you not use them? Would you go for the standard rent that you can get in the area? I don't know what your answer is. I know what my answer is, but again, it's an opinion-based topic. And unfortunately, just like a human, everyone's got an arse and everyone's got an opinion. I don't know what the fuck I was saying there, but I was basically trying to say, it's like, everyone's got one. That's my train of thought and everything. But yeah, guys, the opinions, I don't get involved in opinions. I leave everybody alone. I can't be bothered to have arguments with people, drama. What you believe in does not mean it's right or wrong because it's your belief. So I'm not one to criticise or get into an argument backwards and forwards. Your opinion's right. That's all I ever say. Someone says to me, this is what I believe in, you are right because it's your opinion, and we keep moving forwards. Now, the boiler in here is old, but it's been serviced and it's up to date, it's fine, no issues whatsoever. Kitchen's got the extractor fan here, we've got the pipe coming out there, the flue, everything's just, it's just, we've got to make decisions, that's all it is, decisions. Oh, also, guys, these are trickle vents. Take a look at this. For a supported living contract in Birmingham, you need the rooms to be a minimum of 6.51 square metres. But we're not going for a supported living contract in here, we're going for a straightforward government-backed contract. And there's certain sizes for certain things that you need in those. It'll take me forever to break it down, but I will do a video in the future. This one here is coming in at 13.6. which is more than enough. It meets all the requirements that Birmingham City Council need, and all the rooms that we've measured as well, they all meet the requirements. The smaller bedroom is not needed to be 6.51 square metres because, like I said, this is not a supported living contract. This is going to be a government-backed contract, and perfect sizes to get the rooms passed so we can get the fees and the figures that we want.
Steve,
Yeah.
what's going on with your parking?
Don't you call me out with this parking, you. I'm driving today and you're being chauffeured around, so appreciate it. Auction, this property I came and saw last week.
What do you think?
It's where I lived for the first 8 years of my life.
Really?
It's got structural issues. If you look here on the next bit, you'll see the cracks in the walls and stuff like that. I can feel it in the floor. Great area. Great for supported living, but even better there's a children's care home. Unbelievable. And some of you probably don't understand the children's care side of things when it comes to 3 and 4 bedroom residential properties like this. So I'm going to break it down for you. When I get back to the office or when I get back to the Belfry, I'll sit down, I'll break it down for you, and I'll explain to you how it actually works, because a lot of people don't know.
What do you think of that?
Oh.
That crack?
I'm sorry. What do I think of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's definitely got something going on, because all here is just a complete, just feels awful. Guys, Bond Wolf auction. This one, 3 bedroom, semi-detached in Shard End. Guide price is 69,000. Next door, sold for 175. The refurb on this is coming in at about £55,000. And there is a problem upstairs where it looks like it's structural, so you need to take that into account when you're buying from auction, because once you put your deposit down, it's sold as seen. Your deposit will be non-refundable if you fail to buy the property afterwards, so make sure you do all your due diligence. Great property, it can be used for supported living and children's care. Ideal for children's care. Me and my team came down here, we looked at it for a children's care home, and it had potential. Had some cracks in there. We got next door neighbours valuation. We know what the end value around here is. And I actually said that I think it's going to go for around 150 to 160,000. And a few people said I was absolutely crazy. Well, today, if you look here, it's sold for £167,000 with a £55,000 refurb, potential subsidence, and an end value of around 210. Maybe 220 on a good day. So the auctions are still flying. There's still people out there doing crazy things, and this is why you need to learn how to navigate it. So come and see me on Sunday, 14th of December. Tickets are free. They're down below, and I'll teach you how to navigate this so you don't end up buying properties like this where there's no equity in there left after you've done everything. We have an event this Sunday, and we've been through a lot this year. And we're still making sure we move forwards morally and ethically correct. And we have hit numbers for this event that have put this smile on my face, and it's incredible to see how many people are just amazing, and the support is incredible. So I've got this big smile on my face. Now today, my team have been working really hard behind the scenes. We have been putting so much into place over the last 4 weeks that I haven't documented the behind the scenes of the business and what we're doing. I haven't documented all of the setups with the CRM systems, the funnel pages. I haven't documented introducing with the new members. I haven't talked about how we're going to nurture all the members going forwards, and all the touch points and all the bits and pieces, because we've been working that hard and that many hours that it's not really been a YouTube social media thing. We've kept the social media running through an absolute firestorm. And do you know why? Because I'm that guy. Yes, I said it. I am that guy. I'm the guy that can turn water into wine. I'm that guy that can walk on water. I'm that guy that can do anything that I put my mind to. That's me. It's what I do. And people have to come together to attack me, because you can't do anything singular, because I'm that guy, and I will always stand on. I have a great support team. I have a great support network. I have great people around me. Yes, it's been horrendous, but it's all part of growth. And I've been poked that many times in the last 7 months that now I'm finally standing up for myself and retaliating. Now people are saying that I'm a bully. I don't air my dirty laundry on social media. I do things behind the scenes correctly and legally. So I've dealt with what I need to deal with, and I'm dealing with what I need to deal with, and I'm growing the biggest property education company in the country, and I am going to become one of the biggest developers in this country. Facts. because I've got the bit between my teeth, I've got the right people supporting me, and well, the work ethic, as you all know, is just ridiculous because I document my journey on social media every single day. I don't see anybody else doing what I do. Do you?
Nope.
Nice! Love that! Love that!